Hey there. Just got done building this raised bed garden from Amazon, the manufacturer's best choice, and I figured I'd let you guys know what we thought of it. We bought one in anticipation of buying another 10 or 12 for my wife's garden, but I didn't want to make that commitment until we bought the one and put it together. All right, initial impressions was we liked the color. It's powder coated, and the gauge of the steel was pretty good. That was just unboxing it. Said it took about an hour to build. It took two of us, probably about an hour and a half. There's just a lot of screws in here. I think for this 8x2 garden, it was 200 screws with wing nuts. And funny enough, that's why we bought this particular manufacturer, is all the 1-star ratings on Amazon were only not enough hardware. I guess they short a bunch of people on the wing nuts. Guess they had that taken care of though, and we actually had extra wing nuts. Then worst case scenario, I thought for the price, we could always run up to Home Depot and buy some if we were short. It was, I think, on sale for $105, and it's an 8x2 bed, powder coated metal, which I thought would be good. We're in Florida, it's wet, it's in the garden, it rains all the time. So let me grab the camera and show you a couple things. So, as you can see, nice looking color. It looks like all the other main manufacturers. Has the little gasket up top, has some cross members to keep it from bowing out. Yeah, it's pretty simple. It's not level right now. I'm going to relocate it and level it up. Couple things: I would not tighten up all the wing nuts until you're completely done. Just the screw holes aren't precise, and you may end up not being able to align all the holes if you tighten up too much. So again, good gauge metal, powder coated as advertised. One trouble though, let's see if we can find one. Here, we'll see if you can see this. The powder coating isn't sprayed everywhere. So that, I don't know if you can see right here, that's gonna rust within a week. And there were multiple areas like that. Then when we were putting it together, someone then unfortunately we scratched it while we were putting it together. This was us, this wasn't the manufacturer, but it scratched pretty easy when we were putting it together. We assembled this yesterday, scratched it yesterday. We spent one morning out in the weather. It has not rained, it's actually been beautiful out. And the scratch has already started rusting. And we have one on this side already rusting. So overall first impressions were good. After assembling, we will not be buying these. We'll try another manufacturer. I do not see this garden bed lasting more than 2 years. It will probably start rusting out within the year. And I'll probably be updating my tetanus shots here soon. So if this helped, maybe saved you some money in ordering one of these and some time and frustration, please give us a thumbs up, maybe even subscribe, we'd appreciate it. And this is Best Choice Raised Garden Bed Review, sold at Home Depot, Amazon, and I think Walmart. Give us a thumbs up, and thanks. Have a good night.